Yes, we have received our very first Azure Percept modules. It comes in 3 parts: the Azure Percept Audio, the Azure Percept Vision, and a developer board module. This is the smaller package with the audio device. It is really neatly packaged, and it looks like this. This is a aluminum piece. Looks really sturdy. It can be adjusted from the angle, and it also has a 80-20 T shape, so it can be mounted on some 80-20 rail system. It has 4 microphones at the top, and in the bottom part it has a mute button, a line out connector, 3 little LEDs that can be programmed, a micro USB connector, and a push to talk button. It looks really basic, but it also looks quite rugged, and it's clearly made to be hacked, so you can put them apart and combine it together in another way. It also has a little package with the USB, the micro USB cable. I'm gonna leave it out. So now let's take a look at the larger package. It has quite a size, and in there we have 2 modules. It's the Azure Percept Vision. It has a similar concept like the Azure Percept Audio. It can also be adjusted from the angle. The camera is magnetic, so it pops in, it moves a little bit, can be mounted somewhere else. It also has a space for a second camera that can be added in and connected through these little connectors right here. It has a system on module chip that has a quite sizable heatsink that can also be put apart and put together with this little tool that comes with it. And it has a USB-C connector, and as I said, the RGB camera. And the last part is the developer board module. It has 2 connectors for Wi-Fi. It has also an aluminum chassis that can be mounted on the 80-20 rail system. 2 connectors for Wi-Fi antennas. It has USB ports, Ethernet, USB-C, a button for power. On the other side we have the power connector, and what is this? What does it say? A small button. It looks really cool, and this it looks really like someone has put a lot of thought into this, and it really invites to do the hacking. Let's take a quick look on the other stuff that comes along. So these are the antennas that obviously can be screwed on the developer board module. And it comes also with the power connector, a USB-C cable, and the power adapter. So this is the Azure Percept Development Kit package. Really cool.